number one, especially with the way we prepare this team, we got sobrang kumpiyansa ni Coach Pino, especially our vets, Nick, Fortsky, of course also Collins. He's been playing under the weather for I think almost 2 weeks now. So we got to give credit then of course to UE. They really played well. Binabantayan talaga namin yun during their last game pa against Ateneo. We know how they played and they came out very aggressive. But just the same, we're not taking any team here for granted. It's the UAAP, that's the beauty of the UAAP. Anything can happen. So happy that Coach Milu lang talaga. He empowers not just the players but also the coaches to from the practice plan to the way we prepare. We put the team in situations like this, down big, up big. So kasama rin talaga sa preparation talaga ni Coach Miloy. And of course, nakikita naman natin yung support ng the whole community. Salamat kami dyan. Ramdam na ramdam namin, especially that we're playing in our home court.
You call it, you have 18.17 rebounds, 3 blocks, steals, and plus 12. As Coach Juven said, you're under the weather the last time out. That's why you have season load, but you bounce back big this time. So what can you say that this is a very important win, especially to bring your confidence back?
Actually, first of all, give glory to God for giving me the privilege to play here. Also, I want to thank my teammates and my coaches. After the loss, they checked up on me. They were like, "Collins, are you doing okay?" I'm like, because after the game, I actually went home. I was feeling so sick, like extremely sick. I was having high temperature. So they checked up on me. Even the next day, I couldn't practice. Even yesterday, I was just in practice, just to do the right work. But I thank God for putting me in this position right now. Thank God for God with me.
Thank you to Nick. You had 22 points, 8 assists, 3 rebounds, 2 steals. So yun nga, mabigat yung talo nyo against NU. Ito, nakabalik kayo na sa winning column. So, ano yung mga natutunan nyo from that? Kasi maganda yung umpisa nyo, 2-0, tapos biglang nagkaroon kayo ng rough patch against NU.
Motivation naman talaga namin na yung past game namin sa NU. Gusto namin na bawi namin hindi with respect to the nilatag nila ng mga coaches, yung mga game plans namin. And nakakatulong sila din yung bonding namin sa isa't isa ng teammates and coaches. Malaking bagay yun to help one another na to boost our confidence even galing kami sa tayo.
Thank you. Okay, the floor is open for question.
Of course, yung yung first half, alam mo ngayon from the get-go, pinisimula nila. What happened in the second half? What prompted the change in team?
Well, very consistent naman dun sa game plan namin. So happened lang na I think the coaches reminded the players na it's a case of good defense, just better hold that time. They were hitting tough shots, Kawige, John Abate were hitting shots, but just the same, yung leadership talaga ng mga vets namin, Fortsky, Nick, talagang sinabi niya lang na just stay there. We have to, follow the game plan and ganun, yun lang sinabi talaga ng mga coaches. And true enough, we're able to get our bearings and yun, nakarun kami and we're able to get stops. And limited, in a way, limited because they still ended up with both of them, I think 20 plus points parehas. But again, at the end of the day, we did enough to, change the complexion of the game and hopefully, and yun, you got the win at the end.
Nick, highest scoring output for a team this season so far. I think only headline with 22 points. What do you think this type of performance from the team says about yung offensive system ng UST this season?
Yun nga, it's my 5th year na dito sa UAP. Alam ko na yung pros and cons ng mga teams na nag-play. Stick na talaga ako sa mga system na binibigay ng coach sa akin. Without my teammates din, hindi naman ako ganun mag-work. Sila nagbigay sa akin ng confidence, sila nagbigay sa akin ng nakunawag lagi na your day will come, lagi, lalo na sa mga coaches.
Coach, do you think it's a point of concern na yung one of the most offensively gifted teams sa sa UAP so far, do you think that poses a problem for the next few games na baka mas tuloy yung defense sa inyo?
Well, we always take one game at a time. I think we have, yung sinabi ko kanina, ini-empower talaga kami ni Coach Pilo, yung mga coaches, and you know, the level of preparation that we have here, we take pride in that effort. Yung sa offense, yung we're talking about, you know, yung sa offense kasi we were a very fluid team naman na last year, and you know, of course, with the addition of Collins, mas angat lang talaga ng confidence. It really helps us big time, and yun, yung kumpiyansa talaga ng ni Coach Pilo sa mga boys talaga, and you know, we have to give it to them. Talagang may term tayo, di ba? Parang yung scoring column, parang Christmas tree lagi. So that's what we're really after. 25 assists. I think that's a good indication that, you know, offense is really flowing. Nakakatawa. Yun lang. Hopefully, the following games, again, we'll go back to the drawing board and see what we can improve on. And again, prepare for, you know, another battle against our remaining games. Big game din yun. Next game namin, di ba? So we're so used to playing here at the home court. Next game, we're gonna play at the Blue Eagle Gym, the newly renovated Blue Eagle Gym. So we're very excited actually.
Ayun nga, sabi,